This is a very weird setting. Are we live? That's what the other guy does every time. Are we live? Wait. How do I do this? Huh. We are live. Oh, sorry for this. What? No, wait. I'm very fast. Why am I speaking so fast? Normal. Huh. Oh. Jesus. Sorry. Why is this thing not going big? Oh.
That's what she said.
Oh, shut up. You are very quiet in the chat.
Hello everybody. Olá, gente no chat.
Hey Beth. Look at Beth here. That's what the other guy says as well. So, today we have a very special concert. Ik ben Benjamin. I present to you C major. Oh,
No.
without a third. Now with a 7. But Benjamin likes major 7s.
Exactly.
Jazzy. But now,
Major 7s for life.
oh yeah. Give me that 9th. Give me that 11th. Oh. Ah. And then we're back to the same.
Which note is wrong? You played one note wrong. One of them isn't sharp. And it should be.
What? It wasn't sharp. Why?
There we go. Because that's the way it is.
Oh yeah, half tone. Hey Judith. I was going to say Judith. But now, with a minor 3rd. But then we change everything. And then we go to C minor with the 7th. Oh yeah. But, that's where things change. Are you ready for this? You ready for this? This is the sexiest chord ever.
Absolutely not.
This
That's
is
what
perfect.
you play when you want to be pretentious when you're a classical composer. Hi Max.
Hey Max.
Okay. Thanks, Sean.
Oh yeah. Minor chords with minor 7th.
You know that piece?
No.
It's Debussy.
Okay, I'm done with this.
Thank you, João.
Hey everyone.
And once again, of course, that was because I needed to go to the Wii right at right at 8 o'clock. So, thank you, João, for playing. So, hey everybody, welcome to the concert.
Are you having this juice?
As well, I am having special juice.
No.
Yeah. What does Troy call it? No juice.
No juice. Oh,
Or special juice. I don't know. Naughty juice or
I don't know.
anyway. Cheers, everybody. Oh, Lynn, is you watching?
She's here?
Well, no, she didn't write anything yet, but Lynn should be watching with her Lynn and Tonic.
No,
So-
she's not here. Check the comments on Facebook.
I didn't check that. You told me she just requested
Yeah,
something.
and she requested something, but she said
Oh.
she'll probably not make it on time.
Ah, okay. Ah, yeah, she had that thing, right?
Yeah.
I've already had a private WhatsApp message saying it's pronounced Debussy, actually. So, hello. Nice that you're also watching. I'm not going to say your name to... Anyway. we're going to start with a fun one, which is the very first song I ever taught myself on piano.
Oh my god.
So tapping into my, inner gay, as it were. Also bossa nova, I think.
Yeah, now we like bossa nova.
Dude, I've always liked bossa nova. It's just I only recently learned how to play it. I can't speak English today.
We like bossa nova now, just so you know, because.
Aww, your team's joining from. Oh. Oh my lord! Wow, that was intense.
Mm-hmm. That's what they said. Gender neutral.
Are you joining with this one?
Gender neutral. Oh Lord. I'm working my gender neutral. What is it? Which one is it?
Believe. Share.
I can try. But you have to call me on stage.
No matter how hard I try, you keep pushing me aside and I can't break through. There's no talking to you. It's so sad that you're leaving. It takes time to believe it, but after all is said and done, oh, you're gonna be the lonely one. Oh, I think this is in the wrong key for you. Top left.
Oh, it was.
Next line. I can feel something inside me saying I really don't think you're strong enough.
Okay, can we do it for real?
That wasn't for real.
Oh, sorry. Do you believe in love after love?
What key do we need to do it in for you? Okay.
Live in love after love.
A little bit lower. Okay. Take two. No matter. Oh, yeah, but now it's too low. Oh. Okay.
You can make one of
No
your.
matter how hard I try, you keep pushing me aside and I can't break through. There's no talking to you. It's so sad that you're leaving. It takes time to believe it, but after all is said and done, you're gonna be the lonely one now.
Do you believe in life after love? I can feel something inside me saying I really don't think you're strong enough. Oh, do you believe in life after love? I can feel something inside me saying I really don't think you're strong enough. Oh.
What am I supposed to do? Sit around and wait for you? Well, I can't do that. And there's no turning back. I need time to move on. I need love to feel strong. 'Cause I've had time to think it through. Maybe I'm too good for you. Oh.
Do you believe in life after love?
anymore. I don't need you anymore. Oh, I don't need you anymore.
I can feel
Something inside me say, I really don't think you're strong enough. Oh, do you believe in life after love? I could feel something inside me say, I really don't think you're strong enough. Oh, do you believe in life after love? I can feel something inside me say, I really don't think you're strong enough. Oh, do you believe in life after love? I can feel something inside me say, I really don't think you're strong enough. No. Oh, sorry, we're in Bossa Nova, right?
Yeah. That's not. Oh, that's not Google. Okay.
We don't need Google. Loving the jazzy vibe. Cheers, Beth.
Cheers, Beth. Cheers from the ghetto.
That's. Oh. Do you mean the ghetto?
The ghetto. Oh yeah, I forgot I'm British. Sorry, British. I have to eat all that piece.
Look at the stars. Look how they shine for you. That's really hard. And everything you do. And it was all yellow. I came along. I wrote a song for you. And all the things you do. And it was called Yellow. So then I took my time. Oh, what a thing to have done. And it was all yellow. Yeah, keep going. Your skin, oh yeah, your skin and bones turning Your skin, oh yeah, your skin and bones turn into something beautiful. You know I love you so.
You know I love you so.
Look at the stars. Look how they shine for you. And all the things you do. Yeah, they will all you love.
Came along. I wrote a song for you. And all the things you do. And it was called Yellow. Your skin, oh yeah, your skin and bones turn into something beautiful. You know I love you so much. You know I love you so. Your skin, oh yes, your skin and bones turn into something beautiful. You know I love you so. You know I love you so. That was so nice. Hello, everybody. Hola todos, as Joao would say. Yeah, very nice. Guys, if y'all have any requestinhos, then let us know. Dons le chat. Otherwise, I think you don't say dance, you just
You
say
do.
dans.
in English, French,
Dans les chats.
dans.
Dans les chats.
No, not even dance, like dans.
Dance.
Like not even a
Oh,
hint of nasal.
Okay.
Dans le
So
chat.
really English.
Uh-huh.
Dans les chats. Oh, sorry.
No,
Too-
bro.
Yeah. Dans les chats.
No.
What?
Dans le chat.
Oh, yeah.
Dans le chat.
Dans le chat. Oh no, British.
And then
British, so
and
you
then
have
a
to
Z
read all
instead
the
of an S. So dans, not
Dans
dance.
les chats.
Dance is
Oh,
already too
Dans
European.
les chats. Because the British eat all the.
They drank all the tea, so
Yeah.
then they don't have any
There's
left in their
no left.
language.
There's no left in the language
Are you doing okay, bro?
because they eat all the. No, I.
Oh, what was the E one today? Joao always mixes up the I and E, and then he told me he had Snickers on his feet last
Not
time.
Snickers.
You had Snickers.
Sleep.
Yeah, that was today, but last time it was Snickers on your feet.
Last
and
time
then
was
today,
like 2 years
I
ago.
know, but it's still so funny. We didn't know each other 2 years ago. But today we were talking about spilling water on the floor, and then Joao said he would sleep on top of the water, and I was like, why would you sleep on the water? And then he was like, no, I obviously meant flip. Bruv, your English is very good, so I will stop teasing you.
Mm-hmm.
Well, no, I won't stop teasing you, but it's
Said
very...
no
it's
one
still-
ever. Your English is very good, so I will stop teasing you.
No, I mean... Anyway. How is everybody doing tonight? I hope you enjoyed our little bossa nova. We have more bossa nova coming next, and on top of that, we have bossa nova on a traditional Liverpool song. So it's gonna be legit cray later.
That's not from Liverpool.
No, I know, but that's
Why? Oh
that's
my
like
God.
kind of how I talk now. I've hung out with Yod too much. So now I talk like a Filipino Valley girl. And everyone can say hi to Yod because he's all the way in Manila suffering from jet lag and emotional jet lag from having to go back to what is essentially a dictatorship.
Open Jekyll our enemies.
Oh, I am live. Funny that. What else can we do today? Is there anything you want to do particularly?
Oh, so many things.
Ah, wait, I wanted to do this Dutch song, but is there one you really wanted to do?
Oh, there's a lot of things I want to do today.
Musically.
The day's already ending, so-
Musically, song-wise?
Oh, songs, okay. I mean, even musically, yeah. Can we do some polyphony?
Yes. Yeah, do you want to sight read some polyphony?
No.
Oh, can we do parallel fifth something? That's easy, right?
Yeah.
What melody? Yellow. Okay. Okay. But with backing as well. Okay. Look at the star. Fuck, I started on the wrong note, sorry. No, I started on my family. Okay. Look at the stars. Look how they shine for you. And everything you do. And they were all yellow. I came across for you. Oh, what a thing to do. And it was all yellow. So then I took my turn. Oh, what a thing to have done. And it was all yellow. Yeah, okay. Your skin, oh yeah, your skin and bones turning into. Hold on a minute. Okay. Turn into something beautiful. That's too, yeah. Anyway.
And it's too well.
It was, but I want to do a version with me, you, and Hida. Like,
And that's when Benjamin stopped being called a composer.
it's when I started
Because if
actually.
we did this,
Hey,
like 500
Stefan, superleuk dat je meekijkt. Oh,
Stefan.
Hij kijkt vanuit Parijs. He watches from Paris.
Oh,
Paris.
why is he in
Brosef, als je een request hebt, dan laat me weten. Oh, you can sing the Portuguese song with me. Can you search for it? Estado decadente.
That's me. I'm Estado Decadente.
Oh, we can do it in bossa nova as well.
I've never
I am
done
never going to learn any other music styles, so sorry, the concerts are just bossa nova from now on, okay?
I've never done this one before.
Can we have the bilingual version?
Bilingual. That's That's not how you write bilingual.
Is that spelled B-I-S-E-X? Those are good puns, but please pay attention. Oh no, sir. Am I facing suspension?
No, you're not.
Whee! A swing! Literal sensation! Who did it? Who was the guy who sings it in Spanish? Kevin Cosmos. Not with a Dutch accent.
Kevin Cosmos.
No, it's the S. Dutch S's are really like Cosmos. That sounds a bit Spanish.
Cosmos.
Okay, you want to do all the Portuguese stuff? I'll do all the Spanish stuff.
I'll try.
Okay. What's a good thing?
I think it's okay.
Too high?
No, I think it's okay.
But that's too easy. Let's
I think people.
F sharp major.
It's the same for me. Just choose a tone.
Yeah, no, but I'm like,
It's not like
playing in G is so boring.
It's not like I have to think. Oh my god, no, I have to transpose this. Oh, it's so hard to sing in F sharp. F sharp major. Sorry. I didn't have any wine yet, just so you know.
Así como cada noche estoy recordando. Okay, man. Así como cada noche estoy recordando. Wait, puta. It's really quick. That's really quick. Okay, no bossa nova, just. Okay. This goes out to all the Stefans out there. Así como cada noche estoy recordando el vacío en este apartamento me está desesperando y aún sigo bebiendo, tu recuerdo me abraza, pasa el tiempo pero tú no pasas. ¿Cómo hago para cambiarme el corazón? La tristeza decora nuestra casa. Yo sé que nadie se muere de amor, pero el trago y no verte mata.
Estado decadente que eu tô, a tristeza decora essa casa. Eu sei que ninguém morre de amor, mas cachaça e saudade mata.
Y así muero de amor.
Lá se vai mais uma noite que eu tô virando. No vazio desse apartamento já tô quase pirando. Me bate o desespero, empilhando garrafas. Passa o tempo, mas você não passa.
¿Cómo hago para cambiarme el corazón? La tristeza decora nuestra casa. Yo sé que nadie se muere de amor, pero el trago y no verte mata.
Estado decadente que eu tô, a tristeza decora essa casa. Eu sei que ninguém morre de amor, mas cachaça e saudade mata.
¿Cómo hago para cambiarme el corazón? La tristeza decora nuestra casa. Yo sé que nadie se muere de amor, pero el trago y no verte mata.
No estado decadente que eu tô,
Eu sei que ninguém morre de amor, mas cachaça e saudade mata.
¿Cómo hago para cambiarme el corazón? La tristeza decora nuestra casa. Yo sé que nadie se muere de amor, pero el trago y no verte mata. No estado decadente, chiquillo. A tristeza decora essa casa. Eu sei que ninguém morre de amor, mas cachaça e saudade mata. You wanna do it in Spanish?
No. What's this one?
Do you
I
know
need
it?
a hero.
No.
Huh.
You know it?
No, I don't think so.
Okay. Would you dance if I asked you to dance? Oh wait, it can be bossa nova as well. Would you laugh and never look back? Would you cry if you saw me crying? Would you save my soul tonight? Would you tremble if I touched your lips? Would you laugh? Oh, please tell me this. Now would you die for the one you loved? Hold me in your arms tonight. I can be your hero, baby. I can kiss away the pain, and I will stand by you forever. You can take my breath away. Si supieras la locura que llevo, que me hiere y me mata por dentro, y qué más da, mira que al final lo que importa es que te quiero. Si pudiera ser tu héroe, si pudiera ser tu Dios, que salvarte a ti 1000 veces puede ser mi salvación. I just wanna hold you. Oh, déjame acariciarte. Am I in too deep? Have I lost my mind? Well, I don't care. You're here tonight. I can be your hero, baby. kiss away your pain, and I will stand by you forever. You can take my breath away. Si pudiera ser tu héroe, si pudiera ser tu diosa, que salvarte a ti 1000 veces, puede ser mi salvación, puede ser mi salvación. I can be your hero. We're going to talk about the unrealistic expectations that romance brings to the table when it comes to men in pop songs, or are we going to leave that discussion for another day? I can be your hero, baby. I can kiss away your pain, que salvarte a ti 1000 veces, puede ser mi salvación. Quiero ser tu héroe. I can be your hero.
Have you seen Witch's comment?
Not yet. Looking from a window above, it's like a story of love. Can you hear me? Came back only yesterday. Who went further away? Want you near me? All I needed was a love you gave. All I needed was another day, and all I ever knew, only you. Sometimes when I think of your name, but it's only a game, and I need you to listen to the words that you say. It's getting harder to stay when I see you. All I needed was a love you gave. All I needed was another day, and all I ever knew, only you. take no more. Wonder if you'll understand. It's just a touch of your hand behind a closed door. All I needed was a love you gave. All I needed was another day, and all I ever knew. Si abre una ventana interior, es una historia de amor que se ha ido. Todo fue momento ayer y hoy que quiero volver te persigo. Necesito lo que tú me das, necesito verte un día más y solo pienso en ti, solo en ti. No cree en el amor, es solo una diversión, un fracaso. Todo junto a él es fingir y tengo ganas de huir a tus brazos. Necesito lo que tú me das, necesito verte un día más y solo pienso en ti. Va pasando el tiempo y no sé de lo que fue que ya ves que ha quedado. Te habrás olvidado de mí mientras yo vivo por ti, obsesionado. Podido olvidar mi corazón, aquellos ojos tristes, soñadores que yo amé. Lo dejé por conquistar una ilusión y perdí su rastro, y ahora sé que sé todo aquello que buscaba, y ahora estoy aquí buscándolo de nuevo y ya no está, se fue. Tal vez usted lo ha visto, dígale que yo siempre lo adoré y que nunca lo olvidé, que mi vida es un desierto y muero yo por sed, y dígale también que solo junto a él puedo las estrellas, ya ni el sol me calienta y estoy muy solo aquí, no sé a dónde fue. Por favor, dígale usted. Fueron tantos los momentos que me amó, que siento sus caricias y su olor está en mi piel. Cada noche me abrazaba junto a él, me cubría de besos y entre mil caricias me llevaba a la locura. Y ahora estoy aquí buscándolo de nuevo y ya no está, se fue. Tal vez usted lo ha visto, dígale que yo siempre lo adoré y que nunca lo olvidé, que mi vida es un desierto y me muero yo por sed. Y dígale también que solo junto a él puedo respirar. No hay brillo en las estrellas, ya ni el sol me calienta y estoy muy solo aquí, no sé dónde fue. Por favor, dígale usted. Buscándolo de nuevo y ya no está, se fue. Tal vez usted lo ha visto, dígale que yo siempre lo adoré y que nunca lo olvidé, que mi vida es un desierto y muero yo por sed. Y dígale también que solo junto a él puedo respirar. No hay brillo en las estrellas, ya ni el sol me calienta y estoy muy solo aquí. No sé a dónde fue. Por favor, dígale usted. Oh no, the internet's not working. A la terra umida es skrik, substrestic boich partu, en paso als dias, aspara com et puc estimar si de mi estàs tan lluny? Servir-li acabat boig per tu. Sé molt bé que des d'aquest bar jo no puc arribar on és tu, però dins la meva copa veig reflexada la teva llum. Me la beuré, servir-li acabat boig per tu. Quan no hi siguis al matí, les llàgrimes s'espatran entre la pluja que caurà avui. Em quedaré atrapat, ebri d'aquesta llum, servir-li acabat boig per tu. Sé molt bé que des d'aquest bar jo no puc arribar on és tu, però dins la meva copa veig reflexada la teva llum. Me la beuré, servir-li acabat boig per tu. Sé molt bé que des d'aquest bar jo no puc arribar on és tu, però dins la meva copa veig reflexada la teva llum. Me la beuré, servir-li acabat, servir-li acabat, servir-li acabat boig per tu. Rossinyol que vas a França, rossinyol, encomana'm a la mare, rossinyol, d'un vell boscatge, rossinyol, d'un perquè en mano m'agrada, rossinyol, a un pastor m'enyada, rossinyol, d'un bel boscatge, rossinyol, d'un encomana'm a la mare, rossinyol, i a mon pare no pas gaire, rossinyol, boscaccia rossignol d'un farba la ramada rossignol e perduta l'esqueiada rossignol d'un bel boscatge rossignol jo t'he de donar per pagar rossignol un petó i una abraçada rossignol d'un bel boscatge Rossignol que vas a França, Rossignol encomana, Rossignol donde boscaccia Nice. There we go. That was lots of messages. Oh, muchas mercicas for that song. Play Macarena with all minor ninth chords. I'll leave that to you. That can be your homework for next week, Wids.
Please record the video for the next week, so we can start with that.
Play Let It Snow with just diminished 11th chords. Yay, earst, bro.
We can play Let It Snow next week, probably, because
it will be snowing. That's
the
true.
forecast says it will snow like
Vai
4
chegar
days.
o neve
And
na Holanda.
the snow is feminine in Portuguese.
Racist. Just because it's white. What does your dad want us to do?
There's also black snow.
Uh-huh.
I guess I'm not going to say this. No, he's saying you were in my granddad's wine cellar,
Mhm.
right? So my dad's saying he's there with Albertino. That's one of the guys who works with him.
Tell him we can do it in half an hour.
And he says he asked for us to sing this drinking song in Portuguese. I don't think so.
Oh, we can do a drinking song. Do you know it? Quick enough to teach me?
Maybe not. I know it very well, but I'm not sure you can sing it.
Rude. Well, you could sing it solo. What else was it?
Lucinda
Lucindinha.
has a very nice. Just messing with Torrent strategy.
Joao's doing shit posting during the concerts.
And then they get mad at us. I can't imagine why.
We just have some very nice songs lined up for a very special person today. You can carry on saying what you were
I
saying.
forgot what I was going to say.
Meow, meow, meow. Okay.
Oh yeah, Lucinda
Lucinda.
has a story on Instagram drinking
Does
Radler
she?
cider-
Oh, that's
cider.
she got it. Oh,
Yeah.
but she said she'd do it for next week as well.
And she
So-
tagged me and
Oh, that's so cute.
saying cheers Ben Golaham, João Silva 93. Have a good concert.
That's your name. Oh, she's such a cutie. Hi, Lucinda.
Lucinda Dunne.
Okay, so we have a very special person watching, and it's not Yots, so I'm gonna stop doing a faux Filipino accent. We have an amazing person who often watches the concerts, and she donates a lot, so lots of love. Thank you, Claire. So everyone can join us in singing Feliz cumpleaños, happy birthday to Claire.
And now it's not happy birthday, it's something else.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Claire. Say, can you happy birthday to you? Lungs als leven, lungs als leven, lungs als leven in de Gloria, in de Gloria, in de Gloria. Happy birthday, Claire.
Happy birthday.
Thank you for watching. Thank you for supporting. And it's very cool having somebody related to Mala watching the concerts. Which is
That was a
pretty
secret.
like...
I guess it's not a secret anymore.
The FBI will be after her now.
Maybe we'll just put a long beep during this whole section. Let me just do the beep
Wait,
now
wait.
so we can.
Really loud into that. Never mind. I wanted to do a quarter effect. Anyway,
Go, tell me. What?
so we're gonna do a special medley for Claire. You with the sad eyes, don't be discouraged, though I realize it's hard to have courage in a world full of people. You can lose sight of it all, and the darkness there inside you makes you feel so small. And I see your true colors shining through. I see your true colors, and that's why I love you. So don't be afraid to let them show your true colors. True colors are beautiful, like a rainbow. We can't turn Joel's bossa nova mode off, apparently.
No, it's always on. I wake up thinking. Show me a smile there. Don't be unhappy, can't remember when I last saw you laughing. If this world makes you crazy and you've taken all you can bear, you call me up because you know I'll be there and I'll see your true colors shining through. I see your true colors, and that's why I love you. So don't be afraid to
you crazy, and you're taking all you can bear. Call me up, 'cause you'll not be there, and I see your true colors shining through. I see your true colors, and that's why I love you. So don't be afraid to let them show your true colors, true colors, true colors, true colors are beautiful.
Like a
Next time.
See the pyramids along the line. Watch the sunrise on a tropic isle. Just remember, darling, all the while you belong to me.
See the marketplace in old Algiers. Send me photographs and souvenirs. Just remember when a dream appears, I'm not a beast, you belong to me.
I'll be so alone without you. Maybe you'll be lonesome too.
Fly the ocean in a silver blade. See the jungle when it's wet with rain. Just remember till you're home again, you belong to me.
I'll be so alone without you.
Maybe you'll be lonesome too. Fly the ocean in a silver plane. Watch the jungle when it's wet with rain. Just remember, darling, till you're home again, you belong
To me.
Lying in my bed, I hear the clock think of you. Caught up in circles, confusion is nothing new. Flashback to warm nights almost left behind. Suitcase of memories, time after sometimes
You picture me, I'm walking too far ahead. You're calling to me, I can hear.
can't hear what you have said. You say go slow, I fall behind. The second hand when watching through windows. You're wondering if I'm okay. Secrets from deep inside, secrets stolen. The second out of time. If you're lost, you can look and you will find me.
Time after time.
If you're lost, you will find me. I'll be waiting.
Time after time.
If you lost, I will find me.
Time after time.
Oh, if you're lost, I will catch you. I will be waiting. Time after time. Oh, time after time. Time after Oh, thinking about all our younger years. There was only you and me. We were young and wild and free. Now nothing can take that away from me. We've been down that road before, but that's over now. You keep on coming back for more. Baby, you're all that I want. Now you're lying here in my arms. I'm finding it hard to believe we're in heaven.
It's all that I need, and I found it there in my heart. It's too hard to see, we're in heaven.
Oh, once in your life you will find someone who will turn your world around, bring you up when you're feeling down. Yeah, nothing can change what you mean to me. Oh, there's lots that I could say, but just hold me now. 'Cause our love will light the way. Baby, you're all that I want. When you're lying here in my arms, finding it hard to believe we're in heaven. Love is all that I need, and I found it there in my heart. Isn't too hard to see, we're in heaven. Baby, you're all that I want.
When you're lying here in my arms,
I'm finding it hard to believe
we're in heaven.
love is all that I need.
And I found it here
declare that's a quote from Mahler, but I can't remember the whole thing. It's a theme of heaven in his Fourth Symphony. What's it?
I prefer
Do
it.
you know what I mean? It's the flutes. There's 4 flutes all in unison. Ah! Obviously not with these chords.
That's the resurrection.
No, this is heaven in the...
I think he has like 3 symphonies. Like the first, the fifth, and the eighth. Yeah, there's this joke about this exam to enter in the university for music, and there was a question that said, how many symphonies did Beethoven wrote, and speak a bit about them. And some guy wrote like, Beethoven wrote 3 symphonies. But then he said the first, the fifth, and the seventh. So, that's even better.
Where's the lie, though?
Yeah, I'm completely right.
And so we're going to go into 2 more...
Parallel.
Parallel!
Oh man, that's
Ah,
out of
Olá, Marta.
battery.
Boa noite, rapazes. Joãozinho. Oh. Oh, Marta.
I guess I'm really Joãozinho now. Play the villain.
Wait, we had... What's... Where is it? I think I closed it, so I need to remember the name of the title again.
My second year in the Netherlands, and
O meu segundo ano na Holanda
I won't be able to party on the King's Day again.
E não posso festejar no Koningsdag outra vez.
This is
Que
nonsense.
isso?
Nonsense. I mean,
Isso é
it's the most
nonsense.
important day of the whole year, and I mean, Corona. Pff. No
So-
Koningsdag.
We have 2 special people watching from Liverpool. The person we just sung Happy Birthday to. And my sister, who also lives there. So...
How's the Liverpool accent?
My sister can do it really well. Merseyside. They have a very funny accent. I mean, very normal and not to be joked about.
Mm-hmm.
I never joke about accents, in case you've realized.
A lot. All the time.
So I'm gonna teach you guys to sing along with us. Yeah, and also because Joao's like wetting his pants about having to sing this thing that I wrote. That was why we were late
No,
today.
it's just a tiny drop.
So the lyrics are, write them down, get a pen.
Okay.
So, bruv, not you, girl.
I'm just going to get it.
Okay. Repeat after me. So fare thee well, my own true love. Joao, can we have you repeating? How much wine? That's a lot of wine. I'm not judging. I'm
This
not
is a
judging.
glass of wine.
You repeating? So fare thee well, my one true love.
So fair. Do you want
For the audience, so they learn it, bruv. So
I'll
I'll be Joao. So fare thee
well,
do I learn
true love.
and when I return, united we will be.
And when I return, you're united.
Hopefully you guys at home are doing better than Joao. And when I return, united we will be.
And when I return, united, here will be we.
It's not the leaving of Liverpool that grieves me.
It's not the leaving of Liverpool that grieves me.
But my darling, when I think of thee.
But my darling, when I think of thee.
It's absolutely adorable. It's very cute. So let's all together, okay? Once more, copy what I do. So fare thee well, my one true love.
So fare thee well, my own true love.
And this dude says he can't sing
Oh, shut
tenor.
up.
And when I
Always the
return,
same
united we will be.
And when I return, united we will be.
It's not the leaving of Liverpool that grieves me.
It's not the leaving of Liverpool that grieves me.
But my darling, when I think of thee.
But my darling, when I think of thee.
Once together, join in at home, okay?
So fare thee well, my own true love.
And when I return, united we will be. It's not the leaving of Liverpool that grieves me, but my darling, when I think of thee. Got that? Ready? Hold on, is anyone replaying in the chat? It's probably Hidder just at home saying, play it in parallel fifths.
He is like the drunk uncle.
The drunkle.
The drunk.
Oh, Claire. Oh, Nana Marla would have loved it too. You're very welcome, my love. Thank you for joining.
Oh wait, I think this one would work well in parallel fifths.
Yeah. And then
How to get killed during the whole history of music, basically. Do some parallel fifths. If you think one parallel fifth is not enough, just write another voice above that one. Then it's for sure you will get hanged and probably burned at the same time. That's how it worked. Like 300-400 years ago.
3-4 years ago. The Netherlands is a tough place.
Yeah, believe me.
So I hope everyone at the home's got that. Once more, quick recap, okay? So fare thee well, my own true love, and when I return, united we will be. It's not the leaving of Liverpool that leaves me, but my darling, when I think of thee. Here we go. Farewell to Prince's landing stage, River Mersey, fare thee well. I am bound for California, place I know right well. And so fare thee well, my own true love, and when I return, united we will be. It's not the leaving of Liverpool that grieves me, but my darling, when I think of thee. I have sailed with Burgess once before. I think I know him well. If a man's a sailor, I will get along. If not, then he's sure in hell. So fare thee well, my own true love, and when I return, united we will be. It's not the leaving of Liverpool that grieves me, but my darling, when I think of thee. Farewell to Lower Frederick Street and St. Terrace and Park Lane. I am bound away for to leave you, and I'll never see you again. So fare thee well, my own true love, and when I return, united we will be. It's not the leaving of Liverpool that grieves me, but my darling, when I think of thee, I am bound for California by way of stormy Cape Horn, and I will write a letter to thee, my love, when I am homeward bound. So fare thee well, my own true love, and when I return, united we will be. It's not the leaving of Liverpool that grieves me, but my darling, when I think of thee. I've shipped on a Yankee clipper ship, Davy Crockett is her name, and Burgess is the captain of her, and they say that she's afloat in hell. So fare thee well, my own true love, and when I return, united we will be. It's not the leaving of Liverpool that grieves me, but my darling, when I think of thee. So fare thee well, my own true love, and when I return, united we will be. It's not the leaving of Liverpool that grieves me, but my darling, when I think of thee. So fare thee well, my own true love, and when I return, united we will be. It's not the leaving of Liverpool that grieves me, but my darling, when I think of thee.
Life goes on eye after the.
What? Okay,
Okay,
restart.
let's go from the beginning. Life goes on day after day. Hearts torn in every way. For fearing, confessing, 'cause this land's the place I love, and here I'll stay. Okay.
Almost, okay.
Let's go again. I was in the other one. Life goes on day after day.
Yes.
Hearts torn on every way. So ferry across the Mersey, 'cause this land's the place I love, and here I'll stay. People, they rush everywhere, each with their own secret care. So ferry across the Mersey, and I'll always take me there, that place I love. People around every corner, they seem to smile and say, we don't care what your name is, boy, we'll never turn you away. Ferry across the Mersey, 'cause this land's a place I love, and here I'll stay. Ferry across the Mersey, and always take me there, the place I love. Cross the Mersey, 'cause this land's a place I love, and here I'll stay.
You sound like the woman in Sister Act. crush everywhere. Each with their own secret care. So ferry cross the Mersey and always take me there, the place I love. People around every corner, they seem to smile and say, we don't care what your name is, boy, we'll never turn you away. Ferry, cross the Mersey, 'cause this land's a place I love, and here I'll stay. Ferry, cross the Mersey, and always take me there, the place I love. So fare thee well, my own true love, and when I return, united we will be. It's not the leaving of Liverpool that grieves me, but my darling, when I think of thee. So fare thee well, my own true love, and when I return, united we will be. It's not the leaving of Liverpool that grieves me, but my darling, when I think of
Okay, this was cool.
That was very nice. Aw. I hope you guys enjoyed the little Liverpool medley. I hope my sister's still watching. She probably just watched for Claire stuff and then was like, okay, do we, bitch?
I'm done with you guys. I mean, this is more than enough for the
No.
day.
Guys, if y'all have any requests, let us know. Oh, Prince Albert Street. Is that the thing in the lyrics? Lower Frederick Street. I should next time I sing at Beth, I'll sing Prince Albert Street.
Lynn had a request.
Lynn had a request, Zinho. Do you want to sing it? Or shall I sing it? Ou vamos a cantar juntos?
If you want.
For Lynn.
Should we do it in Bossa Nova?
Oh, it's such a different style. It's really hard going from that into.
Your best, but you don't succeed.
No, hold on. Okay,
You get what you
hold on.
want,
Something
but not
serious.
what
What's
you
something?
need.
Fuck! I can't get out of Bossa Nova.
so well. No, it's so good. It works.
It does work
I mean,
really
the
good.
text
I
works
know,
very
but,
well.
but we can't do it for Lynn. Oh, Bushra, liever. Eindelijk dat je daar een keer bent. Oh, superleuk. Okay. Oh, okay. No. Hold on. Serious stuff.
I think
okay.
there's actually a version like. I think I heard like a low, like a soft version of the Fix You. And it works very well.
When I am
No.
down, and oh, my soul so weary. Oh no, everything is possible. Ja, oké, dus het is live omdat ik ZZP'er ben, kan ik mijn eigen werkverklaring schrijven. Dus, ching, ook voor deze boy. No, bruv, oké, wacht. Want,
Sorry.
okay, serious stuff. What's a serious thing to play? Bro, Seth. No more triplets.
This is not.
Just play the right notes.
What is jazz? Just play the right notes.
Oh my god.
Oh, sorry, wrong note. No, maybe now it's jazz. You just play it more than once and then it's jazz.
You play it with intent and it's jazz.
Exactly.
Okay. Can you stop?
No,
And this is still the way.
No, it wasn't intended.
Okay, no syncopation.
Oh no, that's the true colors. I'm like, what?
Todo que eu está perder contigo.
I was doing the metal version. Where is it?
Dude, my voice has got so good in the high register. You're second ourselves. That's a top E flat, and I'm not working for it. Guys, I'm very excited. That might not mean so much to you.
Also, can you sing top of
Okay. We have to, if we have any more serious requests, we have to do them in the first half before we've done any bossa nova. Starting with Sharon bossa nova just was not conducive to having a slow song. Sorry,
I
Lynn.
think she would not be happy. I mean, le cher.
Oh, okay. Serious. Ave Maria. Not bossa nova, Ave Maria. Does that work for you? A little bit. You sort of channel. Who do we channel for this? Who's someone depressing? James Blunt. Come to me.
Oh, what's that girl? The
Beyonce.
no, that's not the depressing one.
Rihanna.
No, that. What's that girl? The. Whoa, it's.
That's a big mosquito.
É mosquito, parece Masa Delta. Última a sair.
Dude, that's a big Can we kill a mosquito live?
Yes, you can.
But I don't want to break my laptop. Do you have a thing? Which way is he looking? Oh, he's looking this way, motherfucker.
Maybe. Whoa.
Sorry.
It's the second time today.
It's a big guy. Normally I don't complain about big guys, but with a mosquito,
That's the first time.
you didn't get him.
I
I,
didn't get
I saw him
I didn't
fly
get
away.
it, but it's gone.
It's
so
gone.
I think that's
Okay. When you try your best, but you don't succeed. When you get what you want, but not what you need. When you feel so tired, but you can't sleep. Stuck in river.
and I will try to fix you.
Tears stream down your face when you lose something to replace. Tears stream down your face and tears stream down your face. I promise I will lose from my mistakes. Tears stream down your face and lights will guide you home and ignite your bones, and I will try to fix you. We made it through without going into bossa nova.
Shall we try now?
In bossa nova, maybe in a bit. Bushra, schat, als je een request hebt, laat maar weten.
ASMR.
Do you remember the meme?
Oh yeah. Oh man. Should we do the Portuguese one?
We're doing one in Portuguese and Spanish, but we can do that one maybe after.
A mula da cooperativa, a mula da cooperativa, a mula deu dois coices no telhado, oh és tão linda. Deu dois coices no telhado, nha 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 nha. Nha 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 nha. Nha 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 nha. Nha 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 nha. You can also donate through
Kun je ook via PayPal donaten, schatje. En als je een request hebt, laat maar weten. Iets dat we misschien kennen.
Por causa do Zé da adega. Por causa do Zé. It's not a adega.
Bodega.
Can you write mula da cooperativa?
Mula de Cobratin.
Is it da adega? No.
Oh, no. Oh, tangina. What is it in? Koresh.
Mula da cooperativa. É o Zé da adega, sim senhor. Por causa do Zé da adega. Por causa do Zé da adega. Não saber cantar o fado, és tão linda. Não saber cantar o fado, do. This is really a drinking song. Not drinking. Already
I
drunk.
noticed. Vamos cantar Jorginho? Olá, eu sou o Benjamin.
Eu falo assim.
So. Okay, Joel, so you have to switch back, okay?
To
So it's
where?
gonna go here, 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 here. Okay? Spanish, Portuguese, English.
Okay.
So start Spanish, Portuguese, Spanish, and English, okay? Oh, we should do that next time. I love that one.
Wait, this is for the Torrensrat.
I can do another one. I'm gonna do one serious one, then we do our one draw, okay? I'll do another one by the Irrepressibles, schatje.
Are you sending me away?
No.
Okay. Then I'll stay and drink my wine.
Maybe I didn't treat you quite as good as I should have. Maybe I didn't love you quite as often as I could have. Little things I should have said and done, I just never took the time. But you were always on my mind. You were always on my mind. Maybe I didn't hold you all those lonely, lonely times, and I guess I never told you I'm so happy that you're mine. If I made you feel second best, boy, I was sorry I was blind, but you were always on my mind. You were always on my Tell me that your sweet love hasn't died. Give me one more chance to keep you satisfied. I'll keep you satisfied. Maybe I didn't hold you I guess I never told you. I'm so happy that you're mine. I'm so happy that you're mine. I'm so happy that you're mine. Tell me that your sweet love hasn't died. Give me one more chance. I'll keep you satisfied. Maybe I didn't treat you quite as good as I should have. Maybe I didn't love you quite as often as I could have. Little things I should have said and done, I never made the time. I'm so sorry. But you're always on my mind, baby, I swear. You were always on my mind, baby, I swear. You were always on my mind. You were always on my mind, baby, 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 baby. You're always on my mind. God, I fell and fell alone. I fell alone. The moon's a harsh mistress, but you are always on my mind. Now for something completely different. Me crees ignorante y salvaje. Tú has ido por el mundo y viajado por doquier, mas no puedo entender si hay tanto por saber. Tendrías que aprender a escuchar, escuchar.
Pensas que esta terra te pertence, que o mundo é um ser morto, mas vais ver que cada pedra, planta ou criatura está viva e tem alma, é um ser. Dás valor marcham como tu sem se opor, mas segue as pisadas de um estranho e terás mil surpresas de esplendor. Já ouviste o lobo uivando no luar azul, amor que riu e se com desdém. Sabes vir cantar com as cores da montanha e pintar com quantas cores o vento tem. E pintar com quantas cores o vento tem.
Corramos por veredas en el bosque, probemos de sus frutos el sabor. Descubre qué riqueza te rodea, sin pensar un instante en su valor. Corramos por veredas en la lluvia, amigos somos todos como aves, vivimos muy felices tan unidos en un ciclo fraternal que eterno es. Escuchas de la luna, la luna azul, has visto un lince sonreír o unirte con la voz de las montañas y colores en el viento descubrir, y colores en el viento descubrir. High does a sycamore grow? If you cut it down, then you'll never know. And you'll never hear the wolf cry to the blue corn moon. For whether we are white or copper skins, we need to sing with all the voices of the mountains. We need to paint with all the colors of the wind. You can own the earth and still all you'll own is earth until you can paint with all the colors of
It only works when you don't want.
Exactly. Whenever I want it to squeak, then it doesn't squeak.
Squeak now! Squeak now!
Now, dankjewel iedereen. That was it for today. For today. I hope you guys enjoyed the content. Thank you for watching. Anything you want to say? Can you do the normal spiel?
Daqui é o youtuber, facebooker,
English.
instagramer, twittereiro, influencer,
Do. Oh, right.
Joãozinho. Donate, subscribe, like on Facebook, follow on Instagram, send money, give us money, send donations, do donations, check Patreon off, give your money, check PayPal, give your money. Thank you all who donated until now. The other ones donate. Send to your friends.
watch it
Dude, you wrote it in
during
the
the
wrong group.
whole week. No,
Yeah.
no, I didn't.
Yeah. Yeah, Will.
It was on purpose, bro.
Oh no.
See, look. That's the thing.
Okay.
So, thank you all for watching. Share this with your friends. Subscribe, like, share, donate.
Share. Do you believe?
Donate. And I think that's it.
Yeah. Thank you all for joining. It was lovely being able to play for y'all again.
I mean, those.
Don't listen to him. Life's
seen
easier
better.
when you don't listen to Joel.
I've seen better.
Not true. Like 1/16 true.
Oh, that's quite a lot. 1/16. That's like
I'm really tired now.
0.000000000000000 plunge. So
You
there's,
right there?
there's this show called Miranda, and she has these bursts with just some random words, and I really like the word plunge or thrust.
Rest in peace, headphone users.
Plunge.
No more plosion. There
Plunge.
we go. And then it's proper British. Plunge.
Thrust.
Husk.
Husk. It's a funny word. Plunge. Plunge my crack. Oh, no. Sorry. No. Oh, here's the best one. She's very cool, Miranda.
If y'all haven't seen it, y'all should go watch it.
If you're watching with, if you don't understand English, I'm sorry for you because you'll lose a lot of information. That's Joel. Joel's like,
Bro,
The
but
other
this
clown.
this is the one with...
I know, but
no, it's nobody in it. No. Yeah, this is the main one.
I
that
know.
You wrote in.
yeah.
Oh, that's so
Okay, do you want me to
embarrassing.
check
We
it out?
can't risk losing information about the vacuum cleaner.
You see, that's Joel.
Yeah, I know, but still,
Oh
I
my
mean...
God. Okay, I can solve that.
Shuma shuma.
Copyright. Said. Asked. To
So inflammatory.
remove the photo. Sorry for that. They found the thing.
It looks like ours. No, that's Yod's.
Really? No.
Yeah, that's Yod's one. At least I think it is. It's exactly the same. It's
Sure,
a shite.
fine. Okay.
Anyway, thank you all for watching. Anything else we need to? Coo, 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 coo. If anyone has any,
Oh, mother.
mother lover.
You're a mother love. You're a mother
Don't say
love.
it.
Each other's mothers. Each other's mothers. You're a mother love. I'm a mother love. You
Bye,
should watch
everyone.
this. This is The Lonely Island. It's with Justin Timberlake and that other dude. What's his name? The Wonder of Childbirth in the World. Oh my God.
Are we turning the stream off?
Yes, please.
Yeah. Okay, bye everyone. Thanks for watching. It was great being
Go
able to sing
watch
to you.
The Lonely Island. They're very cool. They have this one called
Straight man humor.
Jizzed in My Pants. Or the in a box.
Ah, yeah.
And
Bye, everyone.
Mother lover.
What's
That's
in
like the second one after in a box.
Bye.
Oh, some people clicked on the Instagram thing. Linda Baila.
Oh, did she comment?
Yes, she sent hearts and pretty. I love. Oh, love out Utrecht.
Oh,
And Inge also replied.
very cute.
And
Quentoni, very
microphone
cute.
and wine. And
cute.
Restambonan
Ah,
also commented on
Bookface.
Facebook.
Have we turned the stream off?
Two of them. And the other one. Okay. Termina.